Hey everyone, this is Jake Burns of the Bigger Better Biz channel, and I'm here with the big lie. What's the big lie? Well, in everything, including email marketing and marketing, there's always a big lie, or lots of big lies in the case of email marketing. So today I'm going to go over one of those big lies, and that is that you can't email your customers a lot, and you definitely should never email them the same email. Okay? That's a big lie, and I'll show you exactly why and give you an example here. So this is all about a business of ours, one that we work with and have for a number of years, called Meyer the Hatter. They're a 126-year-old business in New Orleans. Awesome guys, great to work with. Always really enjoy everything they do, and they have a cool business. I mean, they're a hat business based in the French Quarter of New Orleans. Don't get much better than that. So anyway, this is the middle of the coronavirus outbreak, and obviously they're trying to sell hats because their store is closed and they need to reach out to their base of customers. Thank goodness, that they have gone and built their email list over the years, and they have a very sizable list. So what they want to do, they want to send out a special, a promotion. They wanted to give 20% off, you'll see here, orders of 75 plus. That means if you order $75 or more, you're going to get 20% off the entire order. Not a bad deal, not a bad deal. So, and you can see the message, it's heartfelt. We'll go over that probably some other time in another one of these videos. But this one is all about the big lie, and that you can't email your customers multiple times in the same month, multiple times in the same week, multiple times in the same quarter, and you definitely should never use the same email. Okay, so here's the email that was sent. You can see it was sent about April 11th or 8th or something like that the first time. So what they wanted to do is they wanted to send this on Friday, on Saturday, and on Sunday. So the promo ended on a Sunday night, and so they wanted to send the same email, with a little tweak, a minor tweak on the final day to their entire list. Not to non-opens, to their entire list. And I said, okay, that's fine, sounds good. So we sent the same email on Friday, on Saturday, and on Sunday. They received one complaint. That's it. And the person just asked them, not to send so much. And I'll go over that in a second and ways to counteract that. But the big news here is they had 7 orders on Friday, 10 orders on Saturday, and 22 orders on Sunday. 22. So each day the email sent, now it's getting closer to that exploding offer, each day the email sent, the same email sent all 3 days. The third day had more than 3 times the number of sales of day 1. So what do you think? Big lie? I think it's a big lie. So the point here is, if you have a good offer, a basic email, something that makes sense or is providing value to your customers, it's a big lie that you can only send it one time to them. Because maybe, the second time they get it, they'll actually read further into it. Maybe they'll see a second article. Maybe they'll use the promo code that you gave them for that sale. You're not bothering them. Okay, now, so there is a good point. You can kind of exhaust your list. And you shouldn't be doing this every single day, obviously, for a month. But what you can do is, in your emails in Constant Contact or certainly other platforms, you can get their email preferences, and you can change and make lists where you only send to those lists once a quarter, once a month, once a week, whatever it works for you. You can do that. You can make the email preferences and let them choose if they only want to get an email once a week or once a month, whatever it might be. And so doing that, you're getting your most loyal customers who might actually want to see an email from you every single day. There are things I enjoy, like Formula One racing and all kinds of other stuff, that if I got an email from them every day, I'd be happy. That's awesome. So don't believe the lie that you can't email your customers a lot. Some customers you can email a ton, and it's actually going to net you a lot more money. In this case, it netted them $5,000 in orders in less than 3 days, where they had no orders because of coronavirus. So, hey, thanks for watching. If you have any other questions, email us below. I'll put the email address complete at bjcbranding.com below. And we'll see you next time. Hey, thanks so much.